Built to last. Designed with a durable drop-proof ABS housing and a rust-proof metal mesh grille, this CB mic was designed to last as far and as long as your travels take you. Compatible with most 4-pin Cobra CB radio. Not limited to Cobra models. Easy to operate. The left side push-to-talk button and the 9-foot coiled cord for this dynamic microphone, as well as a comfortable ergonomic design, allow for convenience at your fingertips even when on the road. High sound quality. The dynamic voice coil diaphragm design on this CB radio microphone was made to provide excellent sound quality in all areas of microphone performance, all while handling high sound levels and withstanding extreme temperatures. Top reviews from the United States. Great mic if modded. I own 2 of the Cobra M73 hand mics. These are great microphones provided you perform the mod on them. I am using one on my Drake TR7 transceiver on the ham bands. I receive excellent audio reports, better than either my D104 or Plus 3B desk mics. The other mic is used on my Cobra 135 CB. It provides 100% modulation on AM and increases SSB talk power. The mod, which increases gain and smooths the audio response, is available on the internet. My radio experience is being licensed as an extra-class ham since 1981, being a SWL since age 10, and a CB enthusiast since age 13. On the technical end, I worked for both Tektronix and Hewlett-Packard for many years as a tech and later an engineer. I highly recommend this microphone.